Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the area under a curve is actually super fast if you know the right steps. Let's solve this definite integral problem together right now. First, we need to set up our definite integral from 1 to 2 for the function 2 over x. This represents the total area enclosed by the given boundaries today. Next, we find the antiderivative of 2 over x, which is 2 times the natural log of the absolute value of x. Now we just evaluate at our two limits. Plugging in the numbers gives 2 ln 2 minus 0. This simplifies to our final answer, which is exactly option B. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to watch signs. Trust given values and check steps.